Morning guys, how are you guys doing? I am great, thanks. So now, I am basically getting the tool bits together to go today to Reading to dismantle this organ for our school, for my organ project there. So yeah, let's crack on with the day. Hope you guys enjoy. After a few hours, the organ in bits. The afternoon progress after lunch. Where have the keyboards gone, guys? We've got the stop knobs and stuff, and the paneling and wind chests and bits and bobs all over whilst we're enjoying the Requiem.
Yeah. So you can have one stop there, and a different one there, another one there, another one. You can mix them all or add or subtract them because of all this mechanism here. It's very, very precise. And they have to get all this right so the wind can travel in the right places, otherwise it leaks. And
yeah, and you won't get the right sound.
Yeah, but I mean that's got to be absolutely spot on. And sadly, you know, that's what needs repairing because these things perish and they need replacing.
Therefore expensive, because to get to that, you've got to do what you've just done and redo it all again and fix that.
And do this really carefully.
Yeah.
And this is leather, but this is dried out. You can't see it, but you only need a tiny crack and the wind leaks.
Yeah, and
then you've got problems.
Everything.
Do we need the spanner?
room. You just why is it misbehaving?
I think we need to, if we...
Yeah, I think if I use this thing.
They are like a...
It's stuck.
Making every other part. At one point it's just like strong. It's like never. That one bit.
Everyone doesn't want to go.
Hey guys, how are you? Sorry there wasn't much talking during the day today, as we were quite busy, as you probably have seen, dismantling this organ and trying to get it all into bits because the teacher that was coming out to help us, well, to help me take apart the organ, is not going to be there tomorrow, so I only have the maintenance crew there tomorrow. And my friends were unable to come to help me with this organ because they were busy doing some other things. So I'm basically doing it by myself, but with the help of the maintenance people. So he wanted to crack on with the job and get as much done today when he was there, when my teacher was there with me, so that I didn't have to do much tomorrow. And we did, as you saw, get quite a bit done. So now I only have to do is to take apart the console of the organ and also then take all the bits down to the van with the maintenance crew, and then we're done. But yeah, it's been an awesome day, and thank you once again to the school, Kendrick School, for all the help and allowing us to use their organ in our organ project, and thanks to our school for, you know, supplying the van and doing all the logistics, and yeah, and thanks to the teacher who came out to help me dismantle it, and thanks to the maintenance crew. And yeah, well, it's the end of today for us. Tomorrow is going to be a similar sort of start to the day, but probably a smaller day, a shorter day, in other words, of organ dismantling. So, anyways, I shall see you guys I'll see you tomorrow in the next bit of this vlog. In the meantime, don't forget to live life to the max, treasure your friends, and also grab every opportunity you get. Okay, I shall see you guys tomorrow then. Okay, bye!